Hello IG Garage family. Imagine you're driving and suddenly your check engine light comes on with a P0366 code. This code might sound complex, but it's all about your camshaft position sensor. In this video, I'll explain what P0366 means, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and guide you on how to fix it. Let's dive right in. P0366 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Range Performance, Bank 1. In simpler terms, it means the sensor isn't providing the expected signal to the ECM, which can affect engine timing and performance. Now the key question, where is the camshaft position sensor? If your car has a V-engine layout, Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Sensor B typically monitors the exhaust camshaft. You'll usually find it bolted near the camshaft on the cylinder head close to the timing cover. Check your vehicle's manual for the exact location, but it's generally easy to spot with a wire harness leading to it. How do you know you're dealing with a P0366 issue? Well, here are some symptoms to watch out for: rough idling or stalling, poor acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, and the engine may misfire or fail to start. The causes can include a faulty camshaft position sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, a timing issue within the engine, or even problems with the ECM. Here's how to fix it. First, inspect the wiring and connectors to the camshaft position sensor. Look for any damage or corrosion. Then, test the camshaft position sensor using a multimeter to check if it's providing the correct signal. If it isn't, replace it. If the sensor is fine, inspect the timing chain or belt for wear or misalignment. Lastly, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's everything you need to know about fixing the P0366 code. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to IG Garage for more tips. Don't miss our video on P0315 for crankshaft position sensor issues or P0133 for oxygen sensor performance problems. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.